In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to rename Windows 11 user, updated 2026 full guide. If you've been wanting to change the name that appears on your Windows 11 sign-in screen, start menu, or in various parts of the system, this guide walks you through the simplest built-in method. We'll use Control Panel to update the account's display name, then confirm the change with a quick restart. Before we begin, keep in mind that this process updates the account's display name. It does not rename the underlying user folder path on your drive, and any shortcuts or file paths that reference that old folder name won't be changed. Also, this option applies best to local accounts. If your PC is signed in with a Microsoft account, the system may show or sync the display name from your Microsoft profile, and changes can take a little time to show up across the device. Start by opening the search box. Press Windows plus S on your keyboard, type Control Panel, and open it. If your Control Panel is set to Category View, you'll find what you need under User Accounts. Click User Accounts. Then click User Accounts again on the next screen to get to the core account settings. You should now see the option labeled Change Your Account Name. Go ahead and select it. On the name entry screen, type the new display name exactly as you want it to appear. This can include spaces and capitalization, and you can keep it simple to avoid confusion across apps and services. When you're happy with the new name, click Change Name to apply it. The change is saved immediately, but you may not see it reflected everywhere until you sign out or restart. To make sure the new name updates across Windows components, restart your computer. After the reboot, check the sign-in screen, the Start menu, and places like Settings and the Control Panel to confirm the new name is visible. Some apps may cache your old name until they refresh, but that usually resolves on its own after a short while. A few quick notes as you wrap up. If you don't see the Change Your Account Name option, you might be on a Microsoft account view where Windows directs name changes through your online profile. In that case, allow a little time for the system to sync any updates. Also, renaming the account doesn't change your files or permissions. Your documents, apps, and settings remain intact. Only the display name you see in Windows is updated. That's all you need to do to rename a user in Windows 11 using Control Panel and a simple restart.